Ford, located at 250 50th Avenue, Lloydminster, Border City. Today we're checking out this beautiful pre-owned 2019 Ford F-150 XLT. The exterior color is gray, and under the hood we have a 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Over at the front we have halogen headlamps as well as an engine block heater. Over at the side we have 20-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in saline tires, as well as color-matched handles and black mirror caps. This 2019 Ford F-150 also comes with FordPass Connect. At the rear, we have a rear camera with reverse sensing system. At the interior, there are loads of driver-friendly features, including power locks, power windows, mirror settings, and a ton of door storage. Heading into the cabin, we have black cloth seating with adjustments located just on the side, including lumbar support. And over at our steering wheel column, we have our headlamp settings. We have a tilt steering wheel with cruise control options to the left, and to the right, we have our media hands-free options. Looking just above, we have our rear view mirror, cabin lighting. Looking ahead, you can see it has 86,159 kilometers. And looking ahead at our center face, we have options such as audio, phone, navigation, apps, and settings. Just below, we have our dual climate control area, which offers heating and air conditioning for the entire cabin, as well as heated seats for both front passengers to enjoy. Back a little farther is our middle console area, which offers a dual cup holder, gear shift, and a ton of storage. At the rear, passengers have access to power windows and door storage. And heading into the cabin, we have bench seating, which provides a ton of leg space and headroom. If you have any more questions or would like to come in and check out this beautiful 2019 Ford F-150 XLT, please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions you may have. We'd like to thank you for shopping here with us at Boundary Ford.